guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you real quick how to check codes on a 92 to 95 Lexus LS400. Mine is a 95, so what you want to do is you want to get a jumper wire created, and you want to come to the diagnostics box, which is right here, basically on top of the motor. As you can see, I made a jumper wire, and basically you want to jump right here all the way to the right. You want to jump from the top row all the way to the right, and then from the middle row right in the middle. So both those pins are TE1 and E1. So you want to jump those right there, and then come inside the car and turn your key to the run or to the on. Don't start the car, but just put it to the run like this. That'll flash, and then check engine flash. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a pause, and then a 1. And it's just going to repeat that because I only have one code. Now if you have multiple codes, you just wait and you just count. It'll do the higher number. I believe it'll do the higher number first, and then if you have multiple codes, it'll show the other ones. So basically you want to count, and my number's 41, and my code's 41, which happens to be the TP sensor signal. So that is my code. I will put a link in the description, which it's going to show all the codes listed and what each code is. So I hope this video helped you guys. It was quick, simple, to the point, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.